Hello, welcome back guys to my channel Best Beast Picker. So if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click bell icon so you will get notification when I upload a new video. In our previous videos, I explained more detailed about YouTube keyword research tools. In this video, I am going to explain how to rank YouTube videos with YouTube on-page SEO. YouTube on-page SEO is important thing to rank YouTube videos on the YouTube first page. So let's begin our video. So there you can see 7 main topics in the YouTube on-page SEO. So first one is the keyword research. So I already make the video on the keyword research. To visit the video, please click on the above notification. So you will get more information about the keyword research and the keyword research tools. So I'm going to explain the keyword research again in the very short. So the topic is digital marketing. I'm searching for the digital marketing. So you can see if I search for digital marketing, there are many auto suggestion YouTube suggesting for the many keywords. Then the most searching topic is digital marketing. Then after that, people suggest searching for the digital marketing course. After that, digital marketing tutorial for beginners. These are the best keywords which people searching daily with high volume. So you can target these words also. Yeah, if these keywords are the low difficult, then you can go for it. So you have to check for the many difficulty and the volume and the how to rank for it. You have to do a proper keyword research. You can will get more information in my previous video. You have to click the above notification so you can easily reach for it. So the next one is the long videos. um, you have to create the high retention video with the quality content. I'm also suggesting to create the 5+ minute video to get the good retention by the visitors on your video. uh, YouTube main SEO factor is the high retention video, the how much time people staying on your video and watching your video, which also get more preference on the higher to rank on the YouTube. So yeah, you don't need to create the low quality video for to get more retention like long videos with 20 to 30 minutes with the very low quality content. So please prefer the quality content with the 5 to 10 minutes or many more video, more high retention video with the quality content. So focus on the quality with quantity as well. So if you are not focused on the quality, the people will not watch your video until the end or more or you will not get the more retention. So focus on the quality also. So the next one is the title. So your title must consist your focused keyword. Like I focused on the how to recover deleted YouTube video. This is my keyword, so I add this keyword on the title of my video. So obviously YouTube will prefer my title for the first or get rank on the higher on the YouTube first page. So your title is most important thing in the YouTube video. Okay, so the next one is the meta description. So meta description must be a long minimum in length of the 100 words. You have to add minimum 100 words in the meta description which is related to your YouTube video. You can see at the YouTube video description is 204 words. You can see these are the 204 words description. So also add the keyword which you are focused on in the YouTube video description. You can see add my keyword which I focused on it in the YouTube video description. Also here, also in this part add this 2 to 3 times in my YouTube video description, so YouTube will prefer this video description more, so you will so your video will get rank on the higher in the YouTube first page. Also use the keyword in the video more and more, so YouTube will easily transcribes your video and automatically it will get higher in the rank. So the, this is about the YouTube meta description. The next one is the tags. Tags are also important part of the YouTube ranking on page SEO. So how to choose the tags? So if I search for the how to recover deleted YouTube video, so I will add this my keyword in the tags for the first. Also add the next one is the 2020. Also this one in my tags. So your title must add it in your YouTube video tags. You can see these are my YouTube video tags ranking. If I search for the how to recover deleted YouTube videos 2020, then it will my video will obviously get ranked for the first one. So tags is one of the important thing to rank your video also. So this is about the tags. The next one is the thumbnail. So YouTube video thumbnail is also an important thing to rank your video. The YouTube video thumbnail will be a must important to rank your video, so it will be must attractive and simple. The people mostly visit your video by checking your thumbnail or title. So if your video thumbnail is also attractive, so people will click your video. And also don't prefer the red and white colors in your YouTube thumbnail, because these are the colors which YouTube don't like to rank on the higher. These are the YouTube logo colors, so these colors are don't prefer by the YouTube. So prefer the other colors like green, blue, low type of colors you can prefer to make a YouTube thumbnail. So this is about the YouTube thumbnail. You can create the YouTube thumbnail for free. I already mentioned this in my video. So if you want to make the YouTube thumbnail for the free, so please click on the above link to know more about it, which I explain in my video. So next one is the YouTube video optimization details. So next one is the in this video optimization you can have to give the specific category to your video. This is the how to recover deleted video, which related to like a tutorial video, which will consider in the category which is educational video. Okay, so I give the category which is educational. So the next one is in this video optimization part is playlist. So you can give the better playlist. You can sort out the video in the playlist, like this is a tutorial video related YouTube marketing or tech related. You can create a specific playlist and add this video in the uh, playlist also. So next one is social shares. You can share the video on the social media like Facebook page, Instagram page, or a Twitter page also. So you will get more social signals and your video will also get ranked on the higher on the YouTube first page. The next one is social bookmarking. You can create the social bookmarking on the different sites. I create social bookmarking on the Reddit. I will explain more about the social bookmarking in my upcoming videos also. So how to do a social bookmarking and more about it. So this is also an important part to rank your video on the higher also. So next one is giving adding the carding or more end screens also. Use the cards like you can see these are the cardings. Add this related to my video which are called cardings. You can create the cards also easily. So I'll show you how to create a cards. Going for the edit video. So you are adding cards are very easy. So after that, going to the YouTube cards, you have to click on the cards. Okay, if you want to create the end screen, you can click the end screen and it will load, and you can add the card which time you want. Add this 4 videos for the cardings on the different times. You can see 110 seconds, 153 seconds, and you can click like this. And also these are the subscription part, and this is the YouTube marketing tutors playlist added. There is one video added. So this is about the cardings and end screens, how to add the this is more important things to rank your video. The next one is the comment sections. The people's how much commenting on your video, which also matter for it. If your people like visitors are using the keyword like how to recover deleted video or many more about things about your video in the comment section, then your video will also get rank higher in the YouTube videos. So which is also comments is also a SEO parts. So you can see there are many comments, like total 15 comments, and I also give the answers on all the comments and also give heart. So this is all about the how to do a YouTube SEO, YouTube on-page SEO. So you can also rank with doing the specific SEO, YouTube on-page SEO. So if you like this video, please give a like and subscribe to my channel, and we will see you in the next video on how to do a YouTube off-page SEO. Thank you so much.